Hi, it's Mahesh Shirur. It is the continuation of the problem of the model 4 shear stresses. Okay, problem number 4. A simply supported beam is 120 mm by 300 mm in deep in a section and has a span of 10 meters is pre-stressed with a parabolic cable which has a maximum eccentricity of 100 mm at its midspan and minimum eccentricity of 20 mm at the end support, and it is having a pre-stressing force of the cable is 300 kilonewton meter. The beam carries a all load including of self-weight of 30 kilonewton per meter. Determine the principal tension at 0.6 meter from the left support and 20 mm above the centroidal axis. Okay, so it is a 120 by 300 mm deep. So at the center it is 150 by 150. So dead load plus live load they are given 30 kN per meter. So they asked you to find principal stress is 0.6 meter from the left support. Total span is 10 meters. Breadth is 120, depth is 300 mm. Overall length is 10 meters. E is equal to 100 mm at center. E at support is equal to 20 mm. P equal to 300 kilonewton force. Total load is 30 kilonewton meter. So we know that from previous y is equal to 4h L square into x into L minus x. So dy by dx is equal to sin theta 4h into L square into L minus 2x. Okay. So sin theta equal to 4 into h is 100 minus 2080 L square is 10 into 1000 square. Therefore 10 into 1000 minus 2600. Okay, 2 into x. Okay, therefore x is here, it is 6.6 meters, it is in mm 600. So it comes to about 0.028. Then reaction at the support, that is nothing but WL by 2, that is 45 into 10 divided by 2, that is 30 into 1.5, you are getting 45. So 45 into 10 divided by 2, that is 225. So that is, so this can be 30 into 1.5 multiplying factor. So that will be coming around 45 into 10 divided by 2, that is 225. Okay. So vertical component is equal to P sin theta. So P is 310 raised to 3, sin is theta is equal to this value 0.028, it comes to about 8400 Newton. Then, so net shearing force, net force is equal to 225 into 10 raised to 3 into 8400 minus 8400, that is 216.6 kilonewton. So A into Y bar is equal to area 120 into 130, because 150 minus of 20, that is 130 into 130 divided by 2 into Y bar is 20, 130 divided by 2 plus of 20. So it comes to about 1.36 into 10 raised to 6. So how 130 comes? 150 minus of 20, it is 130. So I is equal to PD cube by 12. So 120 into 300 cube divided by 12. So 270 into 10 raised to 6. Okay, but they are given 120. Therefore, shearing stress to V equal to Vu into A into I bar into I into V. So 216 into 0.6 into 10 raised to 6 into area is 1.32 into 10 raised to 6 divided by 270 into 10 raised to 6 into 120, that comes to about 8.86 Newton per mm square. Then horizontal pre-stress is equal to Fx is equal to P by A, 300 into 10 raised to 3 divided by area is 120 into 300, therefore 8.33 Newton per mm square. Fy is 0 because vertical pre-stressing we have not applied, so only Fx will be coming. So principal stress is equal to maximum minimum Fx plus Fy divided by 2 plus half into root of fx minus fy the whole square plus 4 into 2v square. Therefore 8.33 divided by 2 in plus or minus 1/2 into root of 8.33 square plus 4 into 8.86. So maximum is 13.96 and Newton per mm square, minimum is minus 5.63 Newton per mm square. Thank you.